Talofa lover and welcome to the Measina Treasures of Samoa YouTube channel where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we will be trying out the Siva Afi Fire Knife Dance card game. So a quick overview of the Siva Afi card game. So this game is intended for 2 to 6 players or fire knife dancers, and the game alternates between a practicing phase, which is where you have the drumming, and the performing phase, which is the Siva part. When you're doing the Siva, you get points for the best Siva dance. Yes, so there are different movements and you can only make specific movements based on the color. So you can't use, if you get this one, you can't do that, just because in real life you can't actually do it. Okay, are we ready? So I need to give everyone, let's just start with 5 cards each, just because. 1, 2. So it has to go in this order. So if you get this one, you can't choose this.
Huh?
So if you get a dark brown with the triangle pointing down, you can only use the light brown card.
What are you asking for?
So if you get a circle,
Yeah, then you can use the orange, green, any of those ones.
Is the dark brown like really dark brown, or is it just
Yeah, so it's like that,
like normal? Oh yeah.
yeah,
Did you shuffle these?
a little bit, yeah. Okay, so we will start with this person and we'll go around. So you decide whether you're drumming or if you want to dance.
what happens if you get 2 circle ones?
It doesn't tell me.
So what do the letters do?
The numbers.
So numbers are part of your scoring.
Oh, that's a 7.
Okay, so if you want, you could pick up a card
Yeah,
while you're drumming instead of dancing.
But what happens if you want to get rid of a card that you don't want?
Then put it.
Oh yeah, I don't know what to do. So if I get a yellow,
If you're still drumming, that means you're collecting cards so that you have the best dance moves.
I'll be drumming.
Yeah. So now you just pick up a card.
Thank you.
Your turn. Do you want to keep drumming or do you want to dance? Have you got a good enough cards to dance?
Yeah, I'm gonna dance one.
Okay. So you turn it around and say you're dancing. So now we're performing. And now you put your,
Like
yeah, and now you put 1 card down. Okay, are you drumming?
dancing.
Drumming. Are you still
I'm drumming.
Okay, now you have to put a dance move down. Okay, so you have to have that light brown one to go straight after that.
Oh, like that? Or is it the same color?
No, it has to be an
The
arrow
light
facing
brown
up.
pointing up.
I don't have one.
Okay, then you can't put it down, so you can turn it back to drumming. And stick this. Okay, do you want a card?
Sure.
Good. So the whole point, I guess, is to build up your cards so that you have the best dance moves, so you get the highest score.
I just got a really
Yeah,
good
I'm
one.
still drumming.
Does the higher the number, is that how, like, they get better? Oh, okay. Because I got a pretty high number.
I thought they were letters the whole time.
Oh. Wait, I have a letter.
So if it's on like a white background, so when somebody's dancing, you can put it on that person's cards and they have to do whatever it says on the card.
Like, get up and do it.
Yes.
Oh.
No. The card says like you got burnt, so you lose certain amount of cards or something like that.
Right.
So they are letters.
Yeah.
I'm not crazy.
Let's
Sorry,
see.
I only have numbers.
Is it your turn?
I have like all letters, and I'm thinking, these aren't numbers, these are letters. And I'm like, is that a 7?
Did you do?
It's an F.
So you can pick up more than one card,
Oh, you got the F.
but you have to discard that same amount of cards.
Like get rid of 2 cards.
Yeah. So I'm picking up 2 and I'm putting down 2.
Do we put down the good ones
No, you want the good ones
in your hand?
in your
Do you
hand.
put down the bad ones?
Yep. So the bad ones you don't want, you put them over here.
Oh, right. Yeah. I get it.
So what are the numbers on the men?
Those are your points.
Also, say if one has 1, that's pitiful, and if one has lots, like 4,
Uh-huh.
that's good.
But you add all of the numbers up with every single card that you put down.
What do you think of the pictures?
The white ones are like the one with like the white and the grey background, and then the purple one's cool,
That one's cool.
and the red one.
Okay, it's red instead.
Five. See how I said that?
It's your turn, Quincy.
Oh.
But you're dancing. So, oh, you're all dancing. Okay.
Let's do it right.
Okay, you gotta put it on a dancing card.
Any dancing card?
Has to be
The
the
start.
starting move. The one with the arrow facing down.
Like that?
Yep. Just watch. When I get my cards ready, you guys are.
Yeah, but if somebody puts down a full house by the time you finish, they win.
Did you not shuffle the cards?
No.
These are all the bad cards.
Why did you guys not shuffle them?
That's the discard pile.
Yeah, but it's like Uno. The cards you put down, you flip over and keep the last card. Kind of.
Alright.
Okay, you kind of had a turn already.
Whose turn is it?
Me.
Wait, so you're in the lead, I think. No.
I haven't seen one of these ones yet.
Oh, so what it says on the bottom is what we have to do. So it's like red next.
It's either any of these next.
Oh, any. Okay.
Just make sure to put your purple card down at the very last.
Yeah, and if you have the dark blue, you have to have the light blue straight after it.
Where's the light blue?
Yeah, which one's...
Oh, that one.
Yeah, but where's the starting one for light blue?
There?
And then it can be any of these.
Oh,
What's that?
I don't know.
It's my turn.
Dang, it's got high numbers. Come on guys, step up a game.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, I was going to put down a red one, but I have enough.
What? I have not seen one of these. And that's what you need to learn.
What?
I have one
Purple.
purple.
You have no purple?
How many do you have, Quincy?
3.
I have one.
I
Yeah,
tucked
so-
some in there.
It's your turn, Megan.
It's actually Ruben's turn.
Oh. So it goes from red to anything in the orange row. Right?
Logan, you have to discard your hand.
Oh, I don't have anything on the table. It's
No.
the person next.
It's only
The people that are dancing.
that are dancing.
Oh.
Don't do it.
Because you got the biggest hand.
I have 3 whites.
Just remember that.
Quincy. Wait, so if I discard his hand, does he have to drop his whites?
It's everything that's
in his hand.
on the board. It's
Isn't
not
that
what's
his
in
dance?
hands. Yeah, everything here, but not the cards
But-
that are
I have another
Oi,
card that's for the dance though.
She's a bigger threat. She's got more there.
I've got more in stock
Don't
for
do it,
you.
Ruben. Don't do it.
Okay, so
You
the
don't have to do this.
discard their hand is only the ones they have in their hand.
Yeah,
It
that's what I
doesn't
mean.
affect the.
dance.
Oh
Yeah, that's
no.
That's what I mean.
Are you going to do it to me, Ruben?
And can I only do one of these to someone that's going?
Somebody that's dancing.
Yes. Oh. If I do it, does he have to drop his white cards?
If it's in his hand, yeah.
Quincy, you have to
No,
discard
do
your hand.
it.
You have to discard your hand, Quincy.
How do I get the rest of my... Am I out?
Yeah.
Oh.
So now you gotta practice. Go back to practice.
Does he have to put that away? Or oh, I can just continue. Wait.
Okay. That's nice. That's nice.
Oh, where does your white go? Does it go into the...
Can I just get it back?
No.
Do I just pick up 5?
You
5.
take one.
Take
You
one.
got one.
Wait, what?
You take one at a time.
But no, you don't get to pick which one you go to.
I want
Quincy.
the label.
Oh, yes. I like that.
It's not your turn.
Oh,
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Are you done?
Yeah, I picked up.
Are you picking up from that pile?
Oh wait, I picked up. I put down 2. So
Are you picking up?
Mo, I'm really sorry. And I hope, I really hope that you can get over this. But you have to discard your dance.
I hate you.
Oh, it was really strong. That is the best dance ever. Everything was like 4 or 5.
Okay, so now you have to add up your points because you're the only one that's there. So you got 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Maybe you should have focused on yourself and not getting other people out.
So you've got 13 points, and I guess you just keep playing until either someone gets the full
I'm sorry,
deal.
guys. I've ruined everyone.
no, we're still playing
We're still playing?
till Ruben gets out.
So you won.
Only if we stopped here. But we could keep going if we want to.
We're
I think we're alright.
gonna keep-
I love
we're
this.
gonna keep